The Russian Aerospace Forces recently executed a precision strike that destroyed a U.S.-supplied M142 HIMARS multiple-launch rocket system in the Kharkiv region. This operation, carried out by a fifth-generation Su-57 fighter jet deploying the cutting-edge S-71M Monochrome unmanned aerial vehicle (UAV), marks the first confirmed instance of such a combination in combat. Occurring in early January 2026, this event underscores Russia's technological edge in integrating manned and unmanned systems, highlighting the Su-57's role as a force multiplier and the S-71M's prowess as a stealthy, autonomous hunter. This achievement not only demonstrates Russia's ability to neutralize high-value Western assets but also signals a shift in battlefield dynamics, where Russian innovation outpaces NATO-supplied equipment. The Sukhoi Su-57, NATO-designated Felon, represents the pinnacle of Russian fighter jet engineering. As a multi-role stealth aircraft, it combines supermaneuverability, supercruise capabilities, and advanced sensor fusion to dominate contested airspace. Entering service in 2020, the Su-57 features a low radar cross-section, RCS, achieved through radar-absorbent materials and an angular design, allowing it to evade enemy detection at ranges where legacy fighters like the F-16 would be vulnerable. Its twin Al-51F1 engines enable speeds up to Mach 2 without afterburners, providing sustained supersonic flight for rapid ingress and egress. The jet's integrated avionics suite, including the N036 Bielka Active Electronically Scanned Array (AESA) radar, offers 360-degree situational awareness, detecting targets at over 400 kilometers while jamming adversary systems. A key strength of the Su-57 lies in its seamless integration with unmanned platforms, transforming it into an airborne command node. Designed from the outset for manned-unmanned teaming, MUM-T, the Su-57 can control multiple drones simultaneously, extending its reach without risking pilots. This capability was honed through tests with the S-70M heavy UAV, but the S-71M takes it further by fitting internally in the Su-57's weapons bays, preserving stealth. In the HIMARS strike, the Su-57 likely operated undetected deep in hostile territory, launching the S-71M from standoff range to avoid surface-to-air threats. This integration amplifies the jet's lethality, allowing it to orchestrate strikes while remaining elusive, a testament to Russia's focus on asymmetric warfare that exploits gaps in Western defenses. Complementing the Su-57 is the S-71M Monochrome, a revolutionary hybrid UAV missile system developed specifically for fifth-generation platforms. Unlike traditional cruise missiles, the Monochrome blends missile speed with drone autonomy, enabling it to loiter, maneuver, and hunt targets independently. Weighing around 300 to 400 kilograms, it features a penetrating high-explosive warhead of 100 to 150 kilograms, ideal for destroying fortified assets like HIMARS launchers. Powered by a dual-circuit TRDD-50 turbojet engine, shared with proven munitions like the KH-101, it achieves speeds of up to 0.8 Mach, approximately 980 km per hour, and a range of 200 to 350 kilometers. This allows launches from safe distances, with the UAV descending to ultra-low altitudes, 15 to 75 meters over land, 5 to 15 meters over water, to evade radar. The S-71M's standout feature is its AI-driven guidance system, combining GPS, GLONASS for navigation, thermal imaging for correlation, and an electro-optical seeker with an RCS as low as 0.007 to 0.01 square meters for stealth. It can actively search for targets using onboard sensors, adjusting trajectory mid-flight to counter evasion attempts. In the recent operation, footage shows the Monochrome pursuing the mobile HIMARS, striking with pinpoint accuracy and causing secondary detonations from the launcher's munitions. This autonomy reduces operator workload, making it resilient to electronic warfare, a critical advantage over less sophisticated drones. Foldable V-shaped tails and deployable wings enhance its compactness for internal carriage, ensuring the Su-57 maintains its stealth profile during deployment. The synergy between the Su-57 and S-71M exemplifies Russia's strategic superiority. The jet's stealth allows undetected approach, while the UAV's loitering capability turns fleeting intelligence into decisive action. In this case, the HIMARS, valued for its mobility and precision, was tracked and eliminated despite attempts to relocate, exposing vulnerabilities in U.S. systems against evolving Russian tactics. Russia's investment in such technologies, amid ongoing conflicts, has yielded results. Over a dozen HIMARS have been neutralized using various means, but this first with the Su-57 S-71M combo proves the platform's maturity. This operation bolsters Russia's deterrence, showcasing how indigenous innovations like the Su-57, now produced at scale with over 30 units operational, counter Western aid effectively. Critics of the Su-57 often cite early production delays, but real-world performance, including air superiority missions and drone teaming, refutes such claims. Paired with the S-71M, it extends strike ranges, overwhelms defenses, and minimizes losses, giving Russia a qualitative edge. As production ramps up, expect more such feats, reinforcing Moscow's position in modern warfare and challenging NATO's reliance on outdated paradigms. In summary, this historic strike validates the Su-57's multi-role dominance and the S-71M's game-changing autonomy, affirming Russia's lead in integrated aerial systems.